In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive in Smartsheet. Archiving is a great way to keep your main project sheet clean while still keeping a record of completed work. Before we start, make sure you already have a separate archive sheet created in your workspace. This is where your completed rows will be moved to. Begin by opening your main project sheet in Smartsheet. This is the sheet where you track your active work. Once that's open, look toward the top of the screen and click on the Automation menu. This is where we'll set up an automated workflow that handles the archiving for you. From the Automation menu, choose the option to create a workflow from a template. Smartsheet provides some pre-made automation templates, and using one saves you time and reduces the chance of misconfiguring something. In the template gallery, look for the template designed to move or copy rows based on certain conditions. Then select that template and click Use Template to start customizing it. Now you'll define when this workflow should run. In the Trigger section, instead of leaving it on any field, change it so the workflow is driven by the status column. That way, archiving only happens when the status of a row changes. Click into the condition area, choose the status field, and then add a value. Select the value that represents a completed item in your process, for example, complete. This tells Smartsheet when the status is set to complete, this row is ready to be archived. Next, adjust the timing of the trigger. In the trigger settings, choose the option so that the workflow runs when the condition is met, not on a schedule. This ensures that as soon as someone marks a row as complete, the automation can pick it up. Now you need to tell Smartsheet where those completed rows should go. In the Action section, select the option to move rows to another sheet, then click Select a Sheet. Search for your archive sheet by name, choose it, and confirm. This connects your project sheet to the archive sheet. When you're done, click Save on the workflow so your changes are stored. At this point, test the setup. Go back to your project sheet, change the status of a test row from something like In Progress to Complete, and save your changes. After a moment, that row should disappear from the project sheet and appear on your archive sheet. Finally, in the archive sheet, you can clean up any columns you don't need by right-clicking column headers and choosing Delete for those extra columns. When you're satisfied with the structure, save the sheet. Your automated archiving is now set up and ready to use.